Okay, guess what this is? Yeah, I think that's a Cajon by Koning Percussion. They just sent it, so let's check it out. I'm gonna be going to shoot a video today, cover song with Muhammad Al Anisi and Chakra Khan from Indonesia. So I'm gonna use this Cajon, hopefully. Let's see what it's like. Ooh, nice. Has a case with a pocket. Ooh, has straps so you can wear it on your back too. Nice. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, baby. Check it out. Check it, check it, check it. Yes. Okay. And that's what the front looks like. So beautiful. You wanna hear what it sounds like? I do too. Oh yeah. Take off my rings because percussion, you don't play percussion with rings on, ever. Okay? So, let's hear what it sounds like.